Let's build a live search AI agent in Python using Grok 4, the XAI API, and Agno. Using live search, you can build AI applications and agents to search for real-time information from the web. To enable live search in your app using the XAI API, all you need to do is to add an additional field called search parameters. It has different modes for specifying your preferred data sources. So to enable live search in your app, all you need to do is to set the mode to on. You can set it to auto for the model to decide when to use live search or not. To build our live search agent in Python, there are a couple of installations and configurations we have to perform. First, we set up a virtual environment in Python and activate it with this command. Then we should install a couple of dependencies: Agno, XAI, and OpenAI. If you want to add live search to your AI application using the XAI API, you only need to install XAI. However, for this example, we want to use Agno to create an AI agent. The Agno implementation also depends on OpenAI. That is why we need to install OpenAI as well. Next, you have to export your XAI API key with this command, as well as your OpenAI API key. After doing all these configurations and installations, you can head to your favorite code editor and create a Python file. Over here, I have created Grok 4 live search agent.py and added all these imports. Next, we create a new agent using the Agno's agent class. We should specify the model we want to use, so we need to use Grok 4. To add a live search support for the agent, when accessing the XAI API in Agno, we add the parameter search parameters in the model's definition. There are a couple of other parameters and configurations you can set for your live search results. I encourage you to check live search in the XAI API to learn more. In the Agno agent example, we also set markdown to true. We add this parameter to the agent's definition to display the response in a well-formatted markdown. Lastly, we need to print the response. We want to retrieve the latest news about Grok 4. Let's go to the terminal and run the file. Let's run it with Python 3. It is going to think for a moment before outputting the final response. You have noticed we now have a response from the model, and as we scroll down, we also have a list of sources. We specified in the source code we want only 5 sources. If you don't specify the number of sources you want, the default limit will be 20. So this is how to build a live search agent in Python using Grok 4 through the XAI API.